Hi everyone, I'm Merve, Project Manager of ODS Turkey. Today, we will make Semolina Halva. The Middle East and the Balkan countries are known as where the halva is made first in the world. Halva talks, which are an element of internal life, are common tradition including public storyteller, puppet and karagöz activities. Our ingredients are 3 tablespoons of butter, a half cup of pine nuts, 1.5 cups of semolina, milk, sugar and water. First, we melt the butter in a pan and add pine nuts. And cook the pine nuts for about 2 minutes. Add the semolina and stir until the mixture is thick constantly. We cook the mixture over low heat for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I would like to mention the health benefits of semolina. It boosts our energy and by the magnesium and fibers within, promotes immunity and prevents overeating. Now, in a small saucepan, we stir the water, milk and sugar until the sugar is dissolved and heat the mixture. Stir the warm milk and sugar mixture into the semolina, but slowly. Now place a lid over the pan and cook mixture over low heat about 8 or 10 minutes to infuse. Our halva is ready. You may serve with cinnamon on the top. Enjoy!